So, hello friends. Today we are gonna do a live session on how to mark trend lines. So we have Jay, who's one of my friend, who's gonna learn this. So this is you can use any chart system. I'm using Zerodha right now, and the time frame to mark for a scalper, if you are scalping for 5 points, 7 points, 20 points in a day, if you're scalping, then you need to mark it in either 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Now, I prefer to mark it in 30 minutes. So let me show how exactly this works. One second. Yeah. So I'll show you exactly how it works. And yeah, so this way, let's say this is the chart, right? This is latest. The last Bank Nifty closed on 4th November. The Mahuret trading, it's closed on 39,621. Now, what do you see in this chart? How do you, when there are candles, you should not mark your levels. You should not mark in candles. You should go to candles here on the top, click on line. Now, when you click on line, now you see wherever there is a sharp V or sharp down, that is where you will draw the line. Now, let's start with at least, so this much. This is what, 25th October, so maybe 15-20 days. So, first line of trend line, the straight horizontal trend line here, which is where it reached the highest all-time high. Then here it faced a little resistance. See, same area here and here. So you will mark it here, or you can mark it up also, you can mark it down also, whichever. So this is second area. Now it faced here resistance M, again W, then M, then V. So these all places. Now here you see what happened here. Here it was facing a resistance. Now anything happening in the future in the chart will be shown somewhere in the past. Remember this magical line, जो भी फ्यूचर में हो रहा है that will go in the past as well. So this in past it consolidated from 14th October till 21 October only in this range. So this is very important range and we will mark it here. This is the third. So we've marked this three. This one is very big, 41,000 to 40. So what we will do is we will also mark the half, the W. There is a W here. You can see clear W. I will not explain W and M in this, but we are just learning to mark the horizontal. Then we will learn the other trend line. This is horizontal lines, the support and resistance. This is a good support here. See the V. This is the last level. So we'll mark this. Done. This is first method. First step, select 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Then go to change the candle to line. Then see wherever you see the sharp fall. Now don't mark at every 100 level. Mark at least 150, 200 or above, because then you know the market keeps moving that much. Market will not move only 100 points. So you always, so right now it's 40,000, then 40,400. So your target or stop loss will be 50% of this, but that will be a separate video. Right now, one, you understood this. Now second, the real way to draw a 10 line, it will touch. Right now it's what is doing, higher low, higher low, then higher low and higher low. So 1 2 1 and 2, higher low here. From this 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. Now extend it as much as you can. Then change to candle. It tried to break the but it was a red candle. See, on trend line from the first all-time high, the body of the candle, it should not only take the wick, it should take the body. So one touch, two touch, trying to break down, three touch. So first touch and second touch, proper bullish candle, bearish candle, it gave a vertical fall. That was last Thursday, the magical Thursday in this year 2021. 1,000 point fall on Thursday, expiry, monthly expiry, and 1,000 point on the Friday. Anyways, one touch proper, 2, 3. Now what market should do when you draw this horizontal and vertical? Market should either, now I have to see where do we use the drawing. One second, let me see. Okay, I'm not getting the drawing part, but let's try to make a text. So market will go down, and we'll make this higher. It will go down till this level and then touch here. So it will go down here, this support line, then touch and then break up. Or it will, if it does not respect this trend line, and it will go support, and then if this support is not strong, this support is very strong because that's where the rally started, but if this does not support, then it will break down. Then where is the next? Again you go here, you see here is the V, big V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 V. So here we will draw a line. So this is the next target of the market, 38,290, 38,982. Right now, where are we on the last day? We are on closing is, one second, let me explain. 39,621. If it touches this level, only two things: trend line, it will go down, support, then it will touch trend line. Then if it wants to break, it will go one resistance, second resistance, third resistance, fourth resistance. Or if it does, if it goes here, touches down, touches here, it does not sustain, then it comes down, then breaks this support. Then it goes here, which is 38,290. उसके बाद नीचे what can we do? We can see again making the line. Where is the second last line? We did this. Now where is the sharp V? You see a W, like a W pattern here. One W, then again small W, but too much here. V recovery, V recovery, V recovery, V recovery. So we will mark 1, 1, 2, 3 here. 37,312. Now this is, I am marking in future. I always use future chart because I trade in options, but you can mark it in the spot chart also. That works out beautifully. And iske saath, if you want to really have higher success ratio, then put volume, which Jay, our brother, already knows. Volume. Now, if there is volume, now this is 30 minutes chart, right? And I'm trading in 3 minutes or 5 minutes, let's say. So when I see 3 minutes, I extend the chart. See how beautifully on 3rd November, it touched the trend line, horizontal trend line. Vertical trend line, it was trying to break with a green candle, but not good. It did not break. Then it gave a red candle, then a big red candle. This is how much points? 888 to 672. This one candle on 3rd November, 888 minus 672 is 216 point candle, and on options 100 point approximately candle. This is in 3 minutes at 2 o'clock, 2:15. See, the volume is high on red side. You can make use of this, or you can enter in this second, or as per the regular setup, after 2 red candle, 50k volume, you enter in the third and you make small profit. Now your target will not be much. Scalping, the target will be 10 points, 7 points, 5 points is minimum. You can go with good quantity, but 7 points on option scalping, 10 points, 20 points, depending on the volume, depending on the trend line respect. Now see, it took support in 3 minutes here, half. Between these two trend line, it reached 50%. Now it's again gap up and it's here. It's a very important zone, guys. If you don't know your risk management, don't enter, do paper trade, test this theory, and then it will work out beautifully. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section, and let me stop the recording. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I am starting to help the new beginner traders. I am a COVID trader. I started last year. I want everyone to have at least 70 to 80% success ratio winning trades, and that's enough to stay in the market. Okay, and thank you. Namaste.